Oh, that's 12 of the 13 shutters finished. The one in the middle is going to be a real pain. I've got to find 2 old style brackets, which is proving to be almost impossible, but I'll keep looking, probably at car boot sales and things like that. But yeah, that sews up. That bedroom's finished now with shutters both sides. So yeah, happy days. Time for a drink, then on to the next job. Okay everybody, cheers. So some time ago, 5-6 years ago, when we first bought the house, Sue's daughter, if I remember rightly, gave us this mirror. And it's not our sort of thing normally, but we thought, well, we'll keep it. You never know, one day we might find somewhere to put it. Didn't think we would, but we now think it will fit perfectly into the new ensuite bathroom above the toilet. Not to particularly use as a mirror, but just as a feature. So it's quite heavy. Well, it's very heavy, and it's quite a fair size, about 40 inches by 36 inches. So it's got some weight to it. But the annoying thing is the way it has to be fixed to the wall. Let me show you. It has these annoying fittings. I really don't like them. I'd rather have something like a cord. I don't think a cord would be strong enough, or a chain or something like that. And it's always difficult to find the centre of these holes when you're fitting it to the wall. But a couple of weeks ago I was on YouTube, I think, and somebody showed me a little trick. You may already know it, it was new to me, but I'll show you what they showed on YouTube, and it makes life very easy. So what you do is you get some white tape, and you put it as straight as possible where the holes are, or over the holes. Then find the holes, poke a hole, and then remove the tape. Okay, then you place it so that it's all centred. Try not to pull on the tape because that distorts it a little bit. And then hopefully just drill your holes. Now this is all plasterboard, as you know. Now in my look, these holes are going to be level with a metal frame. It's bound to happen, isn't it? If so, then we'll have to work it out. Okay, so then drilling the 2 holes you punched. That one's worrying. Take off your tape. Put in your plugs. These are the metal ones that expand inside. They're made for plasterboard. Tighten up the screws. Oops. Well, it worked. It didn't help in the fact that the mirror is bowed, so it's hard to get the holes lined up with the plugs or the screw heads, and the weight alone is so difficult for one person. Two people will do it a lot easier getting it up there. But anyway, I suppose I'm going to live in fear now for the next few days, waiting for a big crash as this falls off the wall. I don't think it will, but you never know. It seems to be on pretty secure. Definitely can't pull it off, definitely can't move it. So as far as I know, it's located in those holes, and I think it makes a nice feature. It also blocks this big massive white wall up as well. So yeah, another job to tick off the list, and a new way of doing things. Hope that helped. Cheers everybody.